Good evening everyone, you're watching BSG News powered by Bharat Scouts and Guides. With you I am Ms. Ananda Viswas from West Bengal State. Let's focus on this week's news headlines. World Thinking Day was observed nationwide on 22nd February 2021 to commemorate the birth anniversary of Lord and Lady Baden-Powell. Beach cleanup drive was organized by Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides. Free Being Me and Action on Body Confidence workshop organized by Assam, Eastern Railway, Manipur, Meghalaya, Nagaland, NF Railway, Odisha, Telangana and West Bengal State Bharat Scouts and Guides. First online beginner course was organized by Eastern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides. District rally was organized by East Central Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides. National Headquarters conducted 5th online pre-LT course for Guide Wing. On the occasion of World Thinking Day, Golden Arrow Award ceremony, facilitation of the Friends of BSG and COVID Warrior States were held at BSG NHQ on 22nd February 2021. News in brief. To commemorate the 167th birth anniversary of the founder of the Scouting movement, Lord Baden-Powell and World Chief Guide Lady Baden-Powell, members of Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Eastern Railway, East Central Railway, East Coast Railway, Gujarat, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Odisha, Southeastern Railway, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, West Bengal State Bharat Scouts and Guides and all the state of Northeastern region observed the World Thinking Day on 2021 with the theme Peace Building. The organized various activities like blood donation camp, peace prayer marchery, plantation program and peace building. Stand strong, stand up and stand together activities at all levels. The 164 Founders Day and the World Thinking Day 2021 with the theme Peace Building was celebrated by all the State Association of Northeast Region Bharat Scouts and Guides on 22nd February 2021. To celebrate the Founders and World Thinking Day on 2021, the headquarter district of the Bharat Scouts and Guides NF Railway State provided 150 food packages to all the needy people. The Sustainable Development Goals are Goal 14, Life Below Water, Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides successfully organized a coastal trekking camp at Gopalpur from 19 to 22nd February 2021. In which 235 Scouts, Guides, Rover Ranger and unit leader participated. The camp was inaugurated by Mr. Avinash Tirupati, DEO Chhatrapur, in the glorious presence of Srimati Priya Ranjan Patnaik, Sub-Collector and other invited dignitaries. During the camp, activities like trekking, beach cleanup drives was organized at the Gopalpur Sea Beach. The camp was conducted under the dynamic leadership of Mr. Mihir Patnaik, State Organizing Commissioner Scout of Odisha. To develop the self-esteem of young people, Free Being Me and Action on Body Confidence workshop was successfully conducted by North Chobbish Pargana Katwa District Association of West Bengal State Bharat Scouts and Guides on 21st and 22nd February 2021, in which more than 40 Scouts and Guides participated. Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides also organized Action on Body Confidence Camp from 25th to 26th February 2021 at SHQ Bhubaneswar, in which more than 100 rovers, ranger and unit leaders participated under the leadership of Srimati Anamika Das, State Organizing Commissioner Guide of Odisha State. Eastern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides also organized Action on Body Confidence Camp from 26 to 28 February 2021 at DHQ Kastrapara, in which 50 rovers, ranger and unit leaders participated. district level workshop on Freewing Me ABC for one day on 17 February 2021 was conducted by Gosiagan Girls High School, in which 36 numbers of scouts and guides participated under the leadership of Mrs. Gautam Mirabha, pre-LTGC. Nagaland State organized one-day FMB training for Scouts guides at Wokha district. 241 participants took part in the event. NF Railway State organizing one-day FMB training at district level. FMB ABC workshop for unit leaders successfully conducted by Manipur, Meghalaya and NF Railway State. 20 unit leaders trained at STC Impal from 19 to 21st February 2021 by Mrs. S. Kemolata Devi, State Training Commissioner's Guide. Meghalaya State organized FMB basic training for unit leaders at SHQ Shillong from 22nd to 24th February 2021. Workshop on Freeing Me, Action on Body Confidence was conducted by Manipur State Bharat Scouts and Guide at STC Langol from 19 to 21st February 2021. To celebrate the Founders and the World Thinking Day 2021, the Bharat Scouts and Guides NF Railway Katihar District Station organized 3-day workshop on Freeing Me, scheduled from 22nd to 24th February 2021 at Divisional Scout Hut, Katihar. Total 136 numbers of youth and the leaders actively participated on that. The Badarpur District Association of NF Railway was organized Freeing Me, an action on body confidence for Cub, Bulbul Scouts, Guide, Rover Ranger, peer educators and also the unit leaders from 20 to 23rd February 2021. Different kind of activities was done by 186 participants. Telangana Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted workshop on Freeing Me and action on body confidence at state headquarters Dumangura under the leadership of Srimati G. Ananthalakshmi, SOC Guide, in which 60 Scouts and Guides participated. Action on body confidence at district level workshop for Scouts Master and Guide Captains was held from 20th February to 22nd February 2021 by the Bharat Scouts and Guides, Hassan district. First online beginner course was organized by Eastern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides on 23rd February 2021 under the dynamic leadership of Mr. Rajan Roy, State Training Commissioner Scout, in which 62 youth and adult participants participated for opening new units and enrolling new members. Various sessions of scouting, guiding like law, promise uniform, organizing structure, different section, etc. were taken by the exceptionally talented scouting professional trainers of the Eastern Railway. Danapur district of East Central Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides organized district rally from 19 to 22nd February 2021 at Danapur, in which 150 Cub, Bulbul Scouts, Guides, Rover Rangers participated. Under the leadership of Mr. Pankaj Mishra, District Secretary, activities like camp, craft, dance, rangoli, food plaza, skill of Rama were organized. On 21st February 2021, Eastern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides successfully conducted the second quarter-final round of the first ever All India Railway Virtual Solo Dance Competition, in which 23 participants from Central Railway, West Central Railway, Northern Railway, Northeastern Railway, Southeast Central Railway, East Coast Railway participated. Mr. Vishwasthal, Chief Guest and State Secretary WCR inaugurated the program. Mr. Ramin Malik, District Chief Commissioner, and Mr. Bablu Goswami, Assistant Director of Eastern Region, graced the occasion as guest of honor. Virtual Go As You Like competition was organized by Scout Group of the Kasturba District Association on the occasion of Founders Day 2021, where the Scouts have dressed up like the founders of the Boy and the Girl Guide movement. Lord Robert Stevenson Smith Baden-Powell. This program was conducted under the leadership of Mr. Shubhodeep Chatterjee, Scoutmaster. An environment seminar under the Prime Minister's Shield competition was organized on the auspicious occasion of the Founders Day on 22nd February 2021 by Officers Colony Group of Eastern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides in collaboration with Vigyan Manch for the Scouts, in which an exhibition and presentation of the environmental issue was shown in the Young Change Makers in Creating a Better World. In this program, 60 Scouts and unit leaders participated. Honey cultivation program was organized by Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides on 24th February 2021, virtually, which was inaugurated by Dr. Kalibhushan Mishra, National Vice President and State Chief Commissioner of Odisha. In this program, more than 200 Scouts, Guides, Rover Ranger and unit leader participated under the leadership of Srimati Anamika Das, State Organizing Commissioner, Guide of Odisha State. One night sky observation camp, Winter Triangle Observation, was organized by Kasturba District on 21st February 2021, in which stargazing annual leaders night was organized for 40 unit leaders. The program was conducted under the leadership of Mr. Gopal Vishwas, State Organizing Commission Scout. Refreshers course was organized by Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides from 23rd to 25th February 2021, in which 34 Scouters Guiders participated. The course was inaugurated by Dr. Kalibhushan Mishra, National Vice President and State Chief Commissioner of Odisha. During the course, discussion on changes in PRO, scouting guiding topics, opening new units were done. Filaria Immunization Service Camp is being organized by Bokaro District of Jharkhand State Bharat Scouts and Guides from 22nd to 27th February 2021 at Bokaro, in which 25 rovers, rangers and leaders rendered immunization services. Titan Plastic Challenge, an initiative towards a plastic-free environment, is a project which is being run at Bihar, Eastern Railway, East Central Railway, East Coast Railway, Jharkhand, Odisha, Southeastern Railway and West Bengal State by young members of BSG who are participating in various activities of the challenges as per activity pack released by National Headquarters. For the participant in national events, all the members of the Bharat Scouts and Guides are requested to register themselves through OYMS platforms as UID in compulsory for attending the same. For more, contact your unit leader and district officials. West Bengal State Training Center Ganganagar is ready with new facilities to host the national and regional event and other scouting guiding program after COVID pandemic in new outlook. Maharishi district of Tamil Nadu state has Scouts and Guides conducted live history of BP oratorical competition for Scouters on 19 February 2021 to commemorate 11th anniversary of Maharishi district and on 6th World Thinking Day celebration in which 16 Scouters participated. The Bharat Scouts and Guides National Headquarters have conducted 5th online pre-LT course for Guide Wing from 17 to 23rd February 2021. Maharishi district of Tamil Nadu state Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted blood donation camp on 22nd February 2021 at Maharishi Vidya Mandir Senior Secondary School, Kumbhakonam to commemorate World Thinking Day and 11th anniversary of Maharishi district BSG. Guntur district Scouts and Guides rendered their service in Panchayat election. The Bharat Scouts and Guides Devangiri District Association of Karnataka State conducted Ditya Sopan Test for Scouts and Guides on 20 February 2021 in which 71 Scouts and Guides participated by maintaining social distance and wearing masks. The BBMP Scouts and Guides conducted a peace march for a clean environment in Bangalore, quoting, "A clean city is a peaceful city." The Commissioner of BBMP State, Chief Commissioner Sri Pijaya Sindhya, Sri Randeep IS, Sri Ravindra District Chief Commissioner and other dignitaries from BBMP and the Bharat Scouts and Guides Karnataka were present with the general public. The march was successfully conducted by maintaining social distancing and wearing masks. The participants wore white shirt for showing peace and used placards and banners for conveying their message. More than 100 young people participated in the peace march. Scouts, Guides, Rover Rangers and other leaders do their Good Turn a Day and celebrate the Founders Day across the state. The Good Turn goal of BSG Karnataka was a big success, with more than 8,000 young people who participated on 22nd February 2021. On the occasion of Founders Day, everyone who completed got a digital certificate with their name and signature with the Scout Promise. The Bharat Scouts and Guides Karnataka, Dakshim Kannada district has conducted a district level and Cub Bulbul testing camp for the year 2020 to 2021 at Zilla Scout and Guide Bhavan, Lalbagh, Mangalore on 23rd February 2021. On the occasion of World Thinking Day, Golden Arrow Award ceremony facilitation of the Friends of BSG and COVID Warrior State were held at the Bharat Scouts and Guides National Headquarters, New Delhi on 22nd February 2021. Honorable Dr. Anil Kumar Jain, National President, Bharat Scouts and Guides presented Golden Arrow Award certificates to Cub Master Flock Leaders on the representative basis. Honorable Dr. K.K. Khandelwal, Chief National Commissioner, Bharat Scouts and Guides presented gold, silver, bronze pins to the Friends of BSG who contributed towards the Scout Guide Welfare Fund of the Bharat Scouts and Guides. The COVID Warrior States who got first, second and third position were facilitated by the Honorable Chief National Commissioner by giving check of Rs 50,000, 30,000 and 20,000 to Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh and Chhattisgarh respectively. Moving on to the forthcoming news. Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides is going to organize 18th State Jamboree from 15 to 20 March 2021 at Voronai, Khordha. For the nationwide celebration, the Bharat Scouts and Guides headquarters released an activity pack on the occasion of International Women's Day. For more details, you may refer to circular number 19/2021 dated 25th February 2021. YouReport is a global platform for sharing youth voice. Save the number +91 9650414141 in your contact list of your mobile. Your open your WhatsApp and send and type BSG to join You Report India. It is a matter of great pleasure that National Adventure Program of Bharat Scouts and Guides has been restarted during unlock period following the norms as permitted by the competent authority. For information, refer to circular number 21/2021 dated 29 February January 2021. Thank you for watching.